How are you, Ashley?
I'm good po.
Very good. And all your guests feels so good. Okay. And right now, sabi ko sa iyo, have you ever seen this program? Yes. Pero mas maraming wala dito na mangyayari ngayong gabi. Katulad ng mga birthday messages or baka mayroong mga message dyan ng mga pinsan, classmates, na ngayon lang nila maririnig. Ngayon lang maririnig ni Kuya Albert, ni Mama Rowena mo. So later, malalaman natin yan. But this one is something very special. Our celebrants also blessed with relatives whose love and support have been constant throughout her journey. Although she could not be with us in person tonight, someone very special wanted to make sure her love and message reach your celebration. We will now listen to a recorded message from Mommy Rose. How do you pronounce her surname?
Sorry po.
Eckhart.
Po, Rose po.
Eckhart. Eckhart.
Neckhart.
Eckhart. Alright, so medyo, is she foreigner? The tita? Yeah. The husband. So, she's your tita, right? So, guys, it is a voice recorded message. So, we're going to listen. Alright. Are you ready? Alright. So, DJ, let's play and let's listen to this message from your Tita Rose.
A young adult. It feels like just yesterday when I first met you back in 2011 when you were only 3 years old. At first, I thought you were a boy wearing a girl's dress because you didn't have much hair back then. That's the funny part. And I surprised you with little dresses. And you smiled. And you were very shy. Also, knowing that your dad didn't acknowledge you even before you were born, and you didn't get to experience having a dad around to care for you and make you feel safe emotionally. That made me even more protective, more than you know. You were always a bit shy, but now you have blossomed into such an incredible young woman. Watching you grow has been the greatest joy of my life. Every time I see you, I feel more proud to be your aunt. Even though we might not live near each other, I truly believe that no distance can separate the special bond we share. I am incredibly proud of your kindness, bravery, resilience. You are truly a remarkable person, and I love you very much. As you embark on this wonderful new chapter, may your heart always be filled with love, wisdom, and the courage to pursue your dreams with confidence. Keep your dreams in focus with strong determination. And remember that I am always here for you, ready to lend a hand if you need it. Now I am also going to share a verse in the Bible, in Psalm 147 verse 3, as empowerment for you. God is saying to you today, I will put you together in front of those who broke you. Don't think it wasn't seen by me. You will not only recover, but you will flourish in the places where you felt abandoned and defeated. You will stand strong and victorious. Remember, my child, my plans for you are to prosper you and not to harm you, to give you hope and a future. Let your heart be at peace, for I am with you in every step of this journey, mending every fracture, healing every wound, and restoring every lost hope where you were once shattered. Now you will shine like a beacon, reflecting my love and strength. Trust in me, for I am your faithful protector, your healer, and your redeemer. Do not dwell on the past or the pain it brought you. Instead, lift your eyes to the horizon, where my promises unfold. You will see that my grace is sufficient for you, even in your weakest moments. Let your spirit rejoice, for you are being rebuilt stronger than ever, not just to withstand the trials, but to help others who walk in the similar situations. Amen. I love you, sweetheart. Happy birthday.
Once again, let's give it up for Mommy Rose. Wow. Alright. So, Mommy Rose, nasan siya ngayon?
Nasa ano po? Florida.
Alright. So talagang ayaw niyang palagpasin ang araw na to, ang gabi nito, nang walang sorpresa para sa iyo. Wow. Your first birthday surprise gift from your Mommy Rose is an iPhone. Alright. So, do you really want that phone? Have you ever asked Tita Rose or Mommy Rose or talagang nagparamdam ka ba? You want that?
Hindi ko po siya tinanong about sa cellphone ko. Hindi ko po ito ina-expect.
Alright. So again, this evening is full of surprises. So that one, alright, thank you so much, Kuya Albert, for presenting the gift. That is the first one. That's a lot. Whoa. Are you ready for the next one? The first one is the iPhone. The second one is the receipt. You're going to pay for it. I'm just kidding. Alright. And for your second and final special birthday gift from your... Join us here. Your aunt, Auntie Grace. Ayan, to present the present to you along with other special song that your Mommy Rose, siya mismo yung pumili dito. Let's play the music, sir. Alright, I want Tita Grace to walk on the aisle. Can you do that? Can you do that, Tita Grace? Yes, po. Alright, sige, dito na lang daw siya. Alright, so DJ, let's play the music. Alright. Tita Grace, ayan, akit ka ng pagkat. Alright, are you ready for that? Okay. Are you happy for the first gift? Now, do you want me to reveal the second gift?
1 million.
Your second special surprise is a paid gift receipt. Sabi sa'yo, resibo to eh. Receipt for your birthday. So, pinayara na tita. Alright. Okay. Oh, I like this. Sa loob ng ampaw may nakatago pa. Opo. Oh, wait, Ashley! Baka ma-surprise ka, may ampaw pa dyan. Okay, slowly you can open this up. Sige. Open it. It is where your braces or orthodontic treatments at Lipon Dental Clinic and will be performed by Dr. Margie Peno Lipon. Your mommy Rose has scheduled an appointment for your teeth x-ray and braces this coming Thursday. Agad-agad. Alright.
Lumiyak na siya.
Yun ang maganda rin eh. No? Yung
Gagi sa lamesa yan ah.
hindi ko pa naman masyadong ginagamit. That's fine. Okay na eh. Kuya Albert biglang pagkatapasok eh. Table napkin. Sige. O diba, ang ganda ng moment po, diba? Yung papatak na, tapos bumalik yung luha mo dahil sa ginawa ni Kuya Albert. Pero, seriously, as you look at those papers, sabi kasi resibo. Pero, you don't need to paper it kasi Mommy Rose made all of this. Naka-schedule ka na with Dr. Margie. Tama? Margie Peno Lipon. Alright? Naka-schedule ka na on first day for your x-ray, tooth x-ray, and of course, how happy you are! Show your teeth to everyone! Ayan na! Alright, ang unti-unti ka, syempre, you're so beautiful, pero mas pagagandahin pa. Alright? By Mommy Rose, and together with your kuya, your Mommy Rowena. Alright? So, mas pagandahin pa natin. Because your dream, sabi mo nga sa akin kanina, na-interview kita. So, yung dream mo, maybe isa to sa, plan ni God na nangyari to para mas maabot mo yung dream na gusto mo. To boost your confidence, to make you more beautiful. Alright? Hindi lang sa labas, hanggang sa loob. So, once again, let's give a big round of applause for Mommy Rose. To really support and love you. Alright? Naiiyak kay Albert. Gusto niya rin kasi iPhone.
Sana magpatuloy ka sa buhay mo at masaya ako. Tuloy yung mga pangarap mo. At sa kapatid ko si Rose, maraming salamat sa pagbigay niya ng pang-celebrate ng anak ko. At maraming salamat sa kanya. Kung wala sa kanya, siguro hindi maging ganito yung libo ng anak ko. Mahal na mahal ko siya.
Hey, son. Alright, once again, pala po natin, Mommy and Kuya. Yeah.
Ayan shout out din pala sa mami ko sa US, sa Florida, Rose Eckhart. Shout out sa'yo, maraming salamat at napalaking tulong mo dito sa party na to at sa mga gifts mo. It will definitely help Ashley. So yun, shout out to you, go home soon, and that's all. Thank you. ka masyado mayabang, ha? Charot. Hindi, joke lang. Ayan, hindi ka na manghiram sa amin ng cellphone. Kaya ito ka na. At, ayun, chill ka lang. Tapos,
Do your best.
diskartehan mo lang lagi. Huwag kang masyadong, pakampante. Okay. Tapos, maraming salamat ulit sa mga dumalo sa ating catering services. Napakamaraming salamat ho. And, pati rin sa mga kaibigan ni Ashley, kaklase ni Ashley, maraming salamat. Hindi kompleto ito kung wala kayo. Kaya maraming salamat din sa host at sa ating DJ. Napaka-talented din lahat. Thank you so much. Palakpalan!
Lapit ka doon, Ash. Ay,
Nasa tabi niya. Kung nasa tabi niya. Sa tabi ka niya. Baka mamalihan ka na. Yan na.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Ash. Keep shining and chasing your dreams. Yun lang.
Alright.
buha!
Okay. Please blow the candle. And you can see at this side. Ayan. Pag ganun tayo, mamaya. Okay. Next one. Let's welcome our
Sulit yung effort namin dahil sa pagpunta nyo. Maraming salamat ulit. Enjoy nyo lang. And kakain na rin kayo ngayon. Let's go!
Happy birthday to you. This time, a little bit faster. Make some palakpak. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday, Ashley. Come on. Happy birthday, Ashley.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ashley.
Alright, now Ashley has stepped into the 18th birthday and to the other group. So we wish all the best for your life. So